In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the DXGI error device hung in Apex Legends or the engine error 0x887A0006. So make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps, and let's start. So first of all, what you want to do is open Origin, go to My Game Library, right click on Apex Legends and click on Repair. This will re-download any missing or corrupted files on your PC. Once you do that, you can close Origin. The second step is to click on the search bar, type Notepad and open it. Now what you want to do is copy the commands from the description and paste them into the Notepad file. It should look something like this. Now click on File, click on Save and save it on your desktop as fix.reg. So the name doesn't really matter as long as the extension is .reg. Click on Save and close the Notepad file. Now what you want to do is double click on Fix, click on Yes, and it says, are you sure you want to continue? Click on Yes, and it says that the keys and values contained in the file have been successfully added to the registry, and click on OK. The third step is to right click on the Origin launcher on your desktop, open the properties, go to the compatibility tab, and make sure that the Run This Program as an Administrator box is checked. If it's not checked, then what you want to do is check it, click on Apply and click on OK. And now do the same thing for Apex Legends. So right click on it, go to the properties, go to the compatibility tab and check the Run This Program as an Administrator box. Click on Apply, click on OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped. Bye.